everyone, welcome to my channel and a very happy new year. So today is going to be a baking day because I haven't baked anything since a while and I thought it's new year, so I'll make something for my friends and family. But before that, skincare is important and I got this a while ago and I've been waiting that I'll unbox it in one of the videos. So let's unbox this. Okay, so I got these two things. One is their watermelon and niacinamide moisturizer. This is fairly new, I think, and I have been wanting to try this because the packaging is so cute, and it also has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, if I'm not wrong. So I've been wanting to try this. And the next product is their good old vitamin C sunscreen, and I have used their watermelon one as well before and I love it. Okay, so now that everything's done, let's start with the baking. So I have measured out all my ingredients and I also like to prep my tins ahead, so I have done that as well. And I will be starting with beating my egg whites. So the egg whites are done and I have also beaten the butter and the egg yolks. Now I will be mixing in all the wet ingredients and then I will add the dry ingredients to it part by part. So the batter is ready. I have divided it into two parts because one part I wanted to be pineapple and the other I wanted chocolate. For the pineapple cake, I'm just adding in pineapple essence and a little bit of pineapple crush. I will also be adding fresh pineapples with the frosting. But for now, that's it. And then for the chocolate, I have mixed cocoa powder with milk and oil so that it does not dry out the batter. And I'm just mixing that in and it will be ready to go into the oven. The cakes are out of the oven and raat ho chuka hai banate actually. So I'm just gonna let them rest, and in the meanwhile let's go get some supplies. I'll show you what I get and I'll frost everything tomorrow. So it is the next day and I did get some cute stuff and I will give you a mini haul. So first thing is this cute birthday topper. I got these for 20 each, but they are halka, they are not that good quality, but theek hai abhi one time use ke liye. And then I also got one New Year topper. I don't really like actually these glittery ones, but theek hai abhi wo nahi tha. And also going with the golden theme, I also got these. This was just for 40 rupees and they are also really in trend, so I just got one pack. And I got these set of palette knives. It's the set of two and this was for 80 rupees if I'm not wrong. And last and my favorite thing is this spatula in this baby pink shade. It is so cute and it was just 60 rupees. And iske alawa I did get some boxes and cream vagera, but I'm not gonna show you that because that's not interesting. And I've also prepared my frosting, so let's start icing the cakes. Starting with this cake because this is going to be an all white cake, so I won't be requiring to add any food color. So I'm starting with this one and I have my knife ready, so let's go. Okay, so I am done with the base of all my cakes, and for this one, the white one, I am planning to do one of those ribbon cakes that's very in trend right now. And for the pink cake, I am planning to do rosettes with nozzle, and for this little guy, I do not have any plans for him right now, but we'll see. Okay, so my cakes are done, and by the way, I did not do the heart shape one because abhi wo nahi chahiye tha. And these two are complete. This is fully complete, and to this I want to add a New Year topper. And I have to do a little finishing touches to this one. I am just going to add this ribbon. My lovely assistant made them for me. And the cute candles that I got from yesterday, I am going to add those, and yeah, let's finish it up. And these are all the finished cakes. I love how they turned out, and these were gifts, but I'm gonna cut these on New Year. Just do one pan and then come back when I say the batter is ready, and I've divided it into two parts.
The batter is ready.
Slow arrow. Okay.